Welcome back to Recreational Garage. In this video, we're going to start off by grinding down the welds of the patchwork I did there and on the frame stuff underneath. And then I'm going to move up to the front and start taking apart the front suspension stuff. Get rid of the rest of the steering stuff in there and just start taking that apart. I have some parts for that. I'm still waiting on the subframe connectors to come in. So just going to find some other things to work on this week while I'm waiting for those still. Anyway, let's get to it and see what we can get done. All right, kind of a shorter video this week, but got the welds ground down in the back here. One of my lights died. Got to shorten it, but those things get super beat up anyway. Got the front steering linkage out, got the sway bar out, got some stuff under there all done. Making some progress on it still. You can see this was a 4-lug car, right? Because it was a 6-cylinder. And a little teaser here, we've got an 8-lug or 5-lug with a disc brakes on it for the rear axle. So we got some plans for that. Anyway, we're making some progress still while we're waiting on parts. So hopefully parts will ship out this week or early next week. If not, we'll start digging into some of the other things that I want to do. I just really wanted to get those subframe connectors on while the car was still a little more together. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.